Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about social media posts. So first, look at these pictures. Which one is your favorite and why? In my case, I really like picture number 2. I really like the sakura trees and also this Mount Fiji. Okay? Awesome. Now let's continue. Go to your student book page 76. You will find some questions on part A. Please think about your answers to the questions before class so we can all share. Pause the video if you need to. Okay? Great. Let's continue. Now, on page 76, you will find this article. Every photo tells a story. Please read it. Okay, now that you finish reading, we are going to use the subtitles: the culture vulture, the joker, the indecisive type, the artsy type, and the totally tasteless type, and match them to the pictures over here. For example, number 1, we have a man that is doing this pose in front of a Las Vegas sign. In this case, would you say that this person is the culture vulture, the joker, the indecisive type, the artsy type, or the totally tasteless? Okay, the correct answer is the totally tasteless type. It says the irresistible tacky photo is a genuine, unself-conscious choice. This traveler has a sunny, positive outlook and is happy to share it with friends back at home. Here we can say that tacky photo is what is telling us the answer. Remember, tacky is not something that is very presentable, let's say. So number 1 is the totally tasteless type. But what about the rest? Pause the video while you match and think about why you are choosing these answers. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Number 2 is the artsy type. 3 is the culture vulture. 4, the joker. And number 5, the indecisive type. Very good. Okay, great. Now I want you to please read the sentences I took from the article. Find some words that have things in common. They will have just the end of the words in common. For example, you will find bookish. Can you see a word that ends similar to this? Yeah, it is stylish. Okay, what about the others? Try to find things that they have in common, but it's just the last part. Pause the video, please. Okay, so you should have bookish, humorless, cheerful, thoughtful, tasteful, stylish, and tasteless. If you see, they do have a couple of things that are different, but we have basically three suffixes: ish, less, and full. Let's take a look at how these suffixes work. Okay, we need to find a suffix that means that it has the quality. Actually, you're going to find two. And one that it means that something doesn't have a quality. So let's read the sentences. A bookish kind of person who likes to be well informed. Would you say ish is referring that this person has or doesn't have a quality? That's right, they have it. Find another one that uses this. Okay, so you should have found that the suffixes that mean that something or someone has a quality are full and ish. For example, bookish, cheerful, thoughtful, tasteful, and stylish. Now, the suffixes that mean that something or someone doesn't have a quality is less. For example, humorless and tasteless. Of course, for example, I can say tasteless or tasteful. And here is where these suffixes matter a lot. Because if I say that something is tasteless, it doesn't have any taste. And if I say tasteful, I'm saying that it has a lot of taste, a lot of flavors. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to student book page 77, exercise 2. Which suffix, full, less, or ish, can combine with all of the words on the lists? For example, care and home, relent, taste, and use. Of course, we can say careful, but we can also use careless. Can we say endful? No, right? But can we say endless? Yes. Is it correct to say homeful? No. But homeless? Yeah, so you need to make sure that all of the words combine with the suffix, okay? For example, in letter A, we should have less, careless, endless, homeless, relentless, tasteless, and useless. This doesn't mean that these words cannot combine with another suffix. Care, taste, and use can combine with full, careful, tasteful, and useful. Now pause the video and work in letter B and C. Okay, so in letter B, we're going to say ish, bullish, childish, devilish, foolish, hellish, and selfish. And the last one, letter C, full, doubtful, helpful, painful, stressful, tearful, and thoughtful. Okay, excellent, guys. Now let's continue. Go to workbook page 30, exercise 4. Here, you're going to make adjectives adding full or less to the words in the box. You need to complete the sentences with them. For example, letter A says, there was an endless line of people waiting to receive food. Let's do letter B together. B, with that, it's a dangerous weapon. Here, what should we use? Care, child, doubt, help, relent, stress, or taste. That's right, we're going to be using care. Should we use careful or careless? Yeah, we're going to say careful. Be careful with that. Very good. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Okay, great job, guys. We're going to check this during class. I will see you then. Bye bye.